In this video, we're going to take a quick look at a review of the metric system, which in this course is also known as the SI system. This is important for students in Math 10 because Chapter 1 of the course is all about measurements and all different kinds of units, and this course assumes that students remember how to convert between different kinds of metric units. To begin, let's quickly compare our imperial and metric system. In the imperial system, the unit conversions often seem very random. There are 12 inches per foot and 3 feet per yard, and 1,760 yards making up a mile. The metric system in comparison uses conversions that are all based on powers of 10, 100, and especially 1,000. Also, the unit names tell you what the conversion will be. In our metric or SI system, we always begin with a base unit. So for length, we begin with meters. For mass, we begin with grams. And for capacity, we begin with liters. And then we build off these base units to create larger and smaller units. So that if we have a base unit of meters, or grams, or liters, a larger unit will involve kilometers, or kilograms, or kiloliters, and these are all 1,000 times larger. On the other hand, we can also have millimeters, milligrams, and milliliters, and these will all be 1,000 times smaller. When we deal with length, we also add in another common unit, the centimeters. Centimeters are 100 times smaller than meters. To convert from a smaller unit to a larger unit, we're going to divide. Moving from millimeters to centimeters, we divide by 10. Moving from centimeters to meters, we divide by 100. Dividing from millimeters to meters, we divide by 1,000. And the same happens converting from meters to kilometers. The process will work with the same conversion factors, but using multiplication if we go from larger units to smaller. Moving from kilometers to meters, we multiply by 1,000. From meters to millimeters, we multiply by 1,000. From meters to centimeters, we multiply by 100. And from centimeters to millimeters, we multiply by 10. So for example, if we are going to convert 5.1 meters to centimeters, moving from meters to centimeters, we multiply by 100, and so we have 510 centimeters. If we are converting 58 meters to kilometers, we're going to take those 58 meters and divide by 1,000 to find out that we have 0.058 kilometers. Lastly, if we're going to express 97 millimeters in terms of centimeters, we will divide by 10 to find out that this is equal to 9.7 centimeters. Since it's an expectation that you remember how to work with the metric system, which we also call the SI system, the goal of this quick lesson was to be able to answer questions that involve converting between different measurements in metric units. And this is to be able to apply our knowledge of metric units to questions about perimeter or surface area or volume involving those metric units.